Hi everyone, my name is Samuel, and today I'll be showing you how to organize your feeds into folders. Alright, on the left hand side, you can see that I have a lot of feeds and calculations, but if I scroll to the very top, you would also notice that I have three folders right here. So for the amount, applications, and dummy folder. If I open the amount, you will see that I have calculations pertaining to amount, as well as applications, calculations pertaining to applications. All right, this folder structure allows for better organization and accessibility of your feeds. And all right, so let's see how we can create this. Keep in mind that by default, your fields will be organized by data source tables. So you will have it in this way. In this data source, I have customers data, I have loans application, and some other ones as well. All right. Well, in order to create the folder structure, all you have to do is you can right click on any of the feed. It doesn't matter which one. So just right click on any of the feeds. Then you go to group by, then you click on folder, or you could click on this drop down right here. Then say group by folder. Once you do that, you can see we now have folders at the top. These are my existing folder that I already created. However, if I want to create a new one, let's say I want to multi-select. Right now, I'm holding my control key and my shift key. Then I'm going to click on loan type. So I've multi-selected several fields. Then right click on that and go to folders, then create a new folder right here. So if you would like to add it to an existing folder, all you have to do is to pick the right one from here. But in this case, we are creating a new one. So I'll give it a name and say dummy folder 2 and click OK. All right, so you can see that has been added to the list of folders, and I have those fields right here. The advantage of this as well is that the folders are pushed to the very top so that you can easily access them, right? Unlike when you have to like scroll and look for the fields in between, and especially if you have a large number of fields in your data pane. So this can be very, very helpful. All right, I hope you find this very helpful and it helps you use Tableau better. Thank you.